It's me, Leaf from Coding with Leaf, and today we have a really special video coming to you guys. It's about cryptocurrency trading bots. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to be making a bot that automatically trades ERC20 tokens on PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain. But this bot could hypothetically work with any exchange that's forked from Uniswap. So that's Uniswap, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, all those exchanges would work with this bot. You just need to type in different contract addresses. And we'll discuss on how to do that today. So if you guys can hit that like button, it would mean so much to me if this does end up helping you guys out. It'll push it out to other developers trying to learn this stuff, trying to make their own cryptocurrency bots. The power of this code is that you guys can, if you have your own trading strategy, you could use this code to get the price information and use that price information in a way to be profitable. If you guys did enjoy this video, I really appreciate it. You hit that like button. And if you're interested in more blockchain development tutorials, go check out my channel and hit that subscribe button. I post constantly about new blockchain stuff. And for those of you who thinks this video is a little too advanced for your current programming level, that's okay, guys. It takes a while to learn this stuff. Blockchain development is not easy. There's a reason there's so few developers out there actually making YouTube content right now, is because not a lot of people know how to do it. So if you want to be one of the people that knows how to do it, please subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos about Solidity, smart contract development, also Ethereum full stack development, and other tutorials similar to that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, check out that link, go to BlockFi and get your free Bitcoin. Have a nice day, guys. See you in the next video.